Alright, today's notes are algebra proofs. So all we're doing is solving algebraic equations. Step 1, we need to get everything to the same side. So subtract over the 5x, subtract over the 5x, that leaves us with 32 on the left side. 8x minus 5x leaves us with 3x, and the minus 7 is still there. Next we add over the 7, add over the 7, that leaves us with 39 equals 3x. Last step, divide both sides by 3, divide by 3, leaving us with 13 equals x. And then you need to flip it around and x equals 13. We're used to this. We've been doing this for a while. But today you have to justify what you did. So whenever I subtracted the 5 over, I'm going to have to give the reason. And the reason is simply subtraction property. If I added, I would do addition property. If I multiply, I'm going to do multiplication property, division property. And then there's a few other ones that you're going to use throughout. But all we're doing, a proof is simply, this is why I did this, or this is what I did. So I think we have 2 or 3 examples to go through. Yeah. Okay. Every time, your first thing you're going to write out is your given. So I write the equation they provide me with. So minus 14 minus 7x equals negative 10x minus 5. And the reason that's there is because it was given. So I simply write given. Next, I need to solve. Same idea. I need to move everything to be on the same side. X is on one side, numbers on the other. So I'm going to add this, I'm going to write up here, add this 10 to the other side. So a minus 10x turns into a plus 10x. So 10x minus 7x leaves us with how many x? 3x, yeah. So on the right side we still have minus 5, and on the left side we have minus 14 still. What else can we move?
You get plus 14 to the right side.
Oh, you've done this before. I like it. Yeah, add over the 14. So that's going to give us 3x equals, add over the 14, so 14 minus 5 leaves us with 9. Yeah, divide both sides by 3, x equals 3. Alright, now we need to write down what just happened.
Wait, the reason?
Yeah, we have to write down the reasons, because that's the whole idea of proofs. So the first thing, we added over the 10. So that's just going to be addition property. Coach Nichols was nice enough to make y'all's practice like multiple choice and drag and drop, yeah. So you'll know what's there. You don't have to like come up with the names by yourself. What do we do on the second part? When we move the 14, it was also the addition property. Exactly. The very last one, we divided both sides by 3, which will be your division property. Sweet. Next one. Again, you're just going to rewrite the original one. 3x plus 9 equals 4x minus 5. We're not always going to have the exact same proof. You could do stuff out of order, right? You could subtract instead of add. You can move it to the right or the left. So we write the equation and we write given. Yeah, see where it says given right here? Your first thing is going to be given, yes. And it tells you you're trying to prove the answer. So you already know the answer. You really don't have to do the math behind it because you know it's there, but you need the middle parts. Excuse me. So I'm going to subtract the 3x to the other side, which gives me 4x minus 3x is x, leaving me with 9 and x minus 5. So I subtracted the 3 over, so subtraction property. As far as like the first time we did all the math and then we added the reasons, I typically do the reasons as I go. It's up to you though. Next, I need to add over this 5. So if I add 5 to the other side, that gives us 9 plus 5 was what? Yeah, 14. So that gives us 14 equals x. Is that our answer?
No,
It's kind of our answer.
X over 14.
Yeah, but we wanted to say x equals 14. So the reason behind that would be the symmetric property.
What is symmetric?
It means if 14 equals x, then x also equals 14. That justifies why we're able to flip it around. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. And I think we have one more. Yeah. Alright, first one. You write it out. 2/5 parentheses x minus 10 close parentheses equals 20. That would be our given. What's our first step in this problem?
Distribute.
Yeah, we're going to distribute the 2/5, which is going to give us, I'm going to do the math to the side. 2/5 x. What's 2/5 of minus 10? You're welcome to throw it in your calculator. It's minus 4, I believe.
Wait, so like instead of using 2/5, you use like 0.4.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, so we distributed. So that gave us 2/5 x minus 4 equals 20. The reason that that just happened was because we did the distribution property. Okay. You add over the 4, that gives us 2/5 x equals 24. We just added that 4 over, so that's the addition property. And last step, divide both sides by 2/5. Divide by both sides by 2/5. Oh no, I didn't want to do that math there. What would that give me? X equals what? Yeah, what's 24 divided by 0.4? Did you do it? Someone do that for me, please. 24 divided by 0.4.
60.
60. Oh man, why did I even do the math? Remember, they already told us what it equals. So division property. And that's it.
The answer is 60.
Oh, thanks.